All right. Hey, this is really exciting. We're going to do a twig investigation today. That's right, twig investigation. And you're going to go outside, or as I had to explain to one of your classmates, outside as in not in the house. But you have to practice good social distancing. You're going to go out alone. You're going to go with permission from your parents, etc., etc. So you're going to need to find a tree because a tree has twigs. So go outside. Really? Why are you still here? You're supposed to go outside. Just kidding. Watch the end of the video. Come on. All right. So what you're going to be doing out there is you're going to find a twig. And you want one that doesn't, if it's already kind of budded or budding, you'll still see stuff. But this is what you're looking for. You're looking for the bud scales. So the bud scales are the covering over the bud. Most of our buds still have those scales on them. You're going to be looking for the leaf scar. So this is where a leaf was last spring, or excuse me, last summer. You're going to be looking for these little dots, which are called vein scars. And then these little dots right here, these are cool. They're called lenticels. You see that word down there. And lenticels lets the gases pass. Okay, now I know I said the word gases, so I probably just lost half of you. These are side buds. Okay, that's what some of you guys have as friends, side buds. Ha ha ha. All right, I should quit now. Here's a little more detailed drawing, and all of this is available in Schoology, and I'll explain that in our daily schedule. But you've got your terminal bud. Terminal means end. You got your bud scale again, auxiliary buds, leaf scars from last year, and then this one is really cool. This right down here, this is a leaf scar. So this was last year where the terminal bud was. Okay, and so this here is a year's growth, and this right here is 1 year's growth. And that's what I really want you to be looking for on these, is I want you to be looking for that where that old leaf scar was, and that was where the terminal bud was from last year, and then how much that has grown. So like if I were to age this twig, we've got 1 year's growth here, 2, and then this would be year 3. So that's what I'm looking for. I'm looking for like a 10-year-old twig, or a 8-year-old twig, or a 5-year-old twig, whatever you can find. But you got to be able to find those scars, and then you're going to have to make a video to prove it. The other thing I want you to do while you're outside is I want you to see if you can do some classification. So take this with you. There's a document in Schoology with all this on it. You can download it. It's a PDF, so you don't have to be online. But see if you can identify any of these trees from going out and just looking. Okay? So you're going to say, okay, hey, this looks like a lilac. Now, if you already know it's a lilac, that's cool. You'll be able to find that one because you know that that's a lilac tree. Maybe you know that you've got a lot of elm or a lot of ash. Whatever you think you have around, see if you can actually walk up to it and use this to diagnose. Oh, yeah, look, there's an oak. Okay, or hey, there's an elm. And there's all different kinds of elm. So anyway, you're going to be using this and then this is the cool part, and you're going to do two things with this, okay? So you were asked to download Flipgrid. If you haven't downloaded it, go to the self-service and download that. And when you have it download, launch it. Your code, it's going to ask for a code in the app. It's Gable110. That's the number of our classroom. Not that we go there anymore, but anyway. And then you're going to make a shout-out video. This is just, you can watch mine. Annika made one. You can watch hers. This is just you saying, hey, I'm alive, I'm well, blah, 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 blah. It's a little shout-out video. And then I'm going to have more instructions, but you're going to be making a second video to show what you learned about your twig. Okay? So, I hope this thing works. I hope it's really cool. And the only way that these Flipgrids will be really cool is if you make them really cool. If you're creative and if you're fun, you know, maybe you could have some family members star in them. Branch Man, a.k.a. your dad or your brother. All right. I really need to stop here because it's time for Mr. Gable to go far, far away. All right. Make these fun. Make Flipgrid fun. I've got directions. I've got videos. And, you know, you can call me and we'll talk about this tomorrow during our morning meeting time. All right, guys. We're going to make Flipgrids to go along with our science lesson. And you're going to make a shout-out Flipgrid first, just to practice. Cool, I can't wait. All right, see you all in Flipgrid. Bye for now.